Find features that distinguish it from other brands for YorRay Violin 4/4 full-size kit for adults beginner, Violin Fiddle Set for student with Rosewood Bow. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because it consists of the following features. Wonderful sound. Crafted with precision, the YorRay 4/4 violin features a spruce top and maple back and sides. Spruce wood ensures a clear, resonant tone, while maple provides high hardness, durability, and excellent sound conduction. These premium materials and expert craftsmanship deliver a bright, vibrant sound and guarantee the violin's long-lasting performance. An exceptional playing experience. Inspired by the legendary Italian Stradivarius model, the YorRay violin combines traditional craftsmanship with modern precision. Its smooth lines and comfortable feel ensure effortless playability, while the stable, beautiful tone will inspire confidence in every performance. Paired with high-quality strings, the violin produces a richer, sweeter sound that's perfect for both practice and performance. Quick to start. Unlike other products, our full-set violin bridge has been installed, the strings have been tuned 3 times, and the bow has been rosinied. You can use it immediately after receiving the product. Lightweight design. Our acoustic violin is designed to relieve the stress of daily practice and professional performance. With a solid and smooth structure, it sets a new standard for sound quality and playing comfort. Practical violin kits. Violin beginner kits included a hard case, bow, rosin, digital tuner, manual, rosin, fingerboard sticker, shoulder rest, extra strings, and a cleaning cloth. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.